Hello children, welcome back to calculus. In this session we will study secret messages and the number tower. First, secret messages. That is, secret messages means secret messages can be coded and decoded by understanding the pattern they follow. That is, any one pattern they follow that we understand, and then we can code and decode the secret messages. That is, for example, using the given code, decode the messages. That is, the code is given. That is A1, B2, C3. That way the code is 26. That is, we know that the alphabets 26 are there. So 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 26. So A for 1, B2, C3, that way. So we can decode the messages. That is, first one, we write teacher, Teacher. Then decoding T. For T, we know that for T the number code is 20. So we write T for 20. Then E. Next E is 5. So not joining some space you remove and then you write 5. Then A is 1. Some space you remove and then 1. Then C is 3. Some space move and 3. Then H is 8. So leave some space and then 8. And E again 5. Then R is 18. So in this way we can decode so many letters. Letters will be given. So you write these messages, decoding. So whatever that pattern given, according to that pattern you decode the messages. First one, teacher. For T, for which number? That is 20. So 20 we write. That is, leave some space between writing the numbers. So next one, student. Then in this way we can write first S is 17. So 17 we write. Then T we know 20. So some space you leave and then 20. Then U is 21. In that way 21. Then D is 4. Then 4. Then E is 5. Then N is 14. Then T is 20. Okay. Then mathematics. We can write mathematics. Yes, M for 13. Then A is 1. Then T is 20. Then H is 8. Then E is 5. Math. Then matrix, M again, M is 13. Here M is 13. Then A is 1. Then T is 20. Then I is here 9. Then C is 3. Then S is 17. So in this way, any letter you write, that is, that letter you write in capital letters, and then decoding that messages you write that numbers, some space you put and then write. Okay. So in this way you can practice, you put your own questions and practice well, then it is very interesting. Okay. Then another question, that is the alphabets A, B, C, D up to Z, and then A for B, B for C, C for D, that pattern at up to Z for A. So here we can write mathematics. That is M for N. Then A for B. Then T for U. Then H for I. E for F. And M, N, then A, B, T, U, then I, J, C D S T. In this way you can write. Then teacher, that is this pattern T. T for U. Then E for F, A, B, then instead of C, D, then H, I, then E, F, R, S. Then book, that is B, C, then O, P, again O, P, then K, L. In this way you can write. The next is number tower. Number tower, that is tower. You know that the number tower means numbers can be arranged as a tower. Then there is a rule. Then when we add two numbers below the boxes to get the number in the box above, that's the way it arranged. Okay. So first we can draw a number tower. It is the base we draw first a rectangle. Okay, then divide it equal 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and now 5. Okay, so in this way you can draw it in easily. That is first a rectangle, then divide it into 5 equal parts. Then this first and second, that is the middle part, you draw the lines. From the middle you draw the lines and joining another square. Here also in this way, middle part. That is here 5 portions, so the above only 4, then 3, 2, 1, that way. Again this middle to this middle, then again in this way. Okay, so here 4, then 3. Use a scale you can draw, then very good number tower you will get. Then again this middle to this middle, then 2, then again in this way. So this is here the base 5 columns, then 4, 3, 2, 1, in that way. And here it is given 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25. In this way question is given, then you can fill these all columns. That is the below 2 numbers you add, that is these 2 columns you add, the sum you write here. Then again this and this add, the sum here. This and this add, the sum here. And finally these 2 add, the sum here. This process again repeats. Here these 2 columns add and write the sum here. These 2 columns add and write the sum here. These 2 add and write the sum here. Then here and here add the sum here. These 2 add the sum here. Then these 2 add, you write this column. Okay. So we can do some examples, then you will understand. That is 5 plus 10, we know that 15. Then 10 plus 15, that is 25. Then 15 plus 20, that is 35. Then 20 plus 25, that is 45. Again 15 plus 25, that is 40. Then 25 plus 35, that is 60. Then 35 plus 45, that is 80. Then 40 plus 60, 100. 60 plus 80, that is 140. Then 100 plus 140, that is 240. This is very interesting. You add and write. Okay, sometimes it is drawing in this way using circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles are there. Then these 2 middle you write next one in this way. Then 3, then 2 and finally 1. In this way also number tower we draw. Then here 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 6, 10. Then 6 plus 8, 14. 6 plus 10, 16. Then 10 plus 14, 24. Then 16 plus 24, that is 40. In this way also we can write. Okay. So next one, the base is given 11, 10, 18, 21, 25. So 11 plus 10, what do you get? 11 plus 10, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, here 21. So next 10 plus 18, that is 8 plus 0, 8, 1 plus 1, 2. Horizontally we add and then write. If you feel difficulty, you can write that as columns and then write. Then 21 plus 18, that we get here, that is 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. Here 21 plus 25, 5 plus 1, 6, 2 plus 2, 4. Then again these two columns we add, 8 plus 1, 9, then 2 plus 2, 4. Then these two, 8 plus 9, what do you get? 17, 7 here, then 1 the carrier, then 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So any difficulty you feel, you can write 28 plus 39 column wise, then 8 plus 9, that is 17, 1 carrying, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So we get 67. Then 39 plus 46, then 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carrying, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. So 85, that we write here. Okay, then 49 plus 67. So 49 plus 67. Then 9 plus 7, what do you get? 16. Then 1 carrying, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So this we add and then we get 116. Then 67 plus 85. 7 plus 5, yes, 12, 2, 1 carrying, then 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. So we get 152. Then 152 plus 116. 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 1, 6, 1 plus 1, 2. So 268. Okay, then sometimes the question is given like this way, that is, or not the base fully, some base columns and some upper columns given. Then that also you can find out, that is these two columns when add we get the above one, that is this one minus this we get this, or this one minus this we get the sum of two numbers, we get the sum. Two numbers adding we get the sum. We know that when sum is given and one number is given, we can find out the other number by subtracting. That is, these two columns the sum is 18. So 8 plus something you add, you get 18. That is, the sum is 18. So the another number we can find out, 18 minus 8, that is 10. So check, 10 plus 8 is 18. Then we can write 10 plus what? 20. That is 20 is given, 10 plus 10 is 20. That also we write 10. So we can fill this column, 10 plus 7, 17. Then 20 plus 17, 37 it is given. So these two we can add, 20 plus 18, that is 8, 3, 38 we get. Then 38 plus 37, that we can add 38 plus 37. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 carrying, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. So the final answer is 75. Okay, so some big pattern. Here some columns are given, all the other columns we can find out. So we know that these two when adding we get this column, that is 1 plus dash equal to 5. We know that 5 minus 1 is 4. So we can write here 4. This 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 4 plus 6, that is 10, that we can write here 10. Then 6 plus what? 8, 14, that is 14 is given, here 6 also given. So 6 plus what? That is 14 minus 6, we get 8. Then we can write 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, that we write here. Then 7 plus 3, 10, that here. 3 plus 11, that is 14 here. Then 11 plus dash equal to 20, that is 20 minus 11, that we get 9. So these two columns we can fill easily. Then 10 plus 5, 15 it is given. Then 10 plus 14, that is 24, that we write here. Here 14 plus 15, 29, that already given. Then 15 plus 10, 25. Then 10 plus 14, 24. Then 14 plus 20, yes, 34. All the other columns we can fill by adding these two numbers. Then next one, 15 plus 24. That is 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. That we can write here 39. Then 24 plus 29. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carrying, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. That is 53. Then 29 plus 25. 29 plus 25. 9 plus 5. That is 14. 1 carrying, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is 54. So next 25 plus 24. 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 2, 4. That is 49. Last 24 plus 34. It is 4 plus 4, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. So this is 58. The next 39 plus 53. 39 and 53. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 carrying, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9. So here 92. Then 53 plus 54. 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 5, 10. That is here 107. Then 54 plus 49. 54, 49. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 carrying, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. That is 103. Then 49 plus 58. 9 plus 8. What do you get? 17. 1 carrying, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. So here 107. Then 92 plus 107. 107, 92. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Then 1. That is 199. Then 107 plus 103. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carrying, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. That is 210. Then 103 plus 107. That also here 210. Then next 210 plus 199. 9. 1 plus 1, 10. 1 carrying, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. That is 409. Then 210 plus 210. 210 plus 210. That is 420. Then the last 420 plus 409. 9, 2, 8. That is 829. Then be careful when adding. That is, don't make mistake, and then you can fill this easily. Okay. So in this session we will study secret messages and then number tower. Then this chapter is over. Then if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you.